If you're watching this, take a moment to define where you are right now. Lately, it feels like my path is hidden from me. But past travels have taught me something. When we step outside of our familiar world, we see the small space we occupy and the vastness. For me, each new journey is a chance to see the world and myself in a new way. It's about uncovering what's real, what matters, and sometimes letting go of what I thought I knew. I've known moments of regret, but they have only fueled my resolve to keep moving forward. This journey is about growth. My hope is that this video can offer a sense of encouragement, a reminder that each day is a new chance to start over. Perhaps my path may be hidden from me at the moment, but I keep moving forward. If we don't learn to move forward and we fall backward, stuck in the weight of what we leave behind, life doesn't wait for us to catch up. It keeps moving, with or without us. Growth means embracing change, letting go of what holds us back, and taking each step with purpose. No matter what challenges lie behind us, the new year is an open door, an invitation to step forward with hope, intention, and a willingness to grow. Let's face it with a positive mindset, leaving behind what no longer serves us, and embracing what's to come. The path ahead may not always be clear, but with resilience and a little faith, it will always lead us to where we're meant to be. Perhaps my path may be hidden from me at the moment, but I keep moving forward nonetheless.